What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So for the title of this video, you guys already know we finally got another steering wheel to add to the collection. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, we have a box back here, and in this box we have a new quick release steering wheel setup that I've actually ordered a few months back. I believe was July 2022 when I ordered it, almost half a year before we got here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys what I got. And this is not just any steering wheel, this is an official collaboration between Vertex and Yokohama Advan. So that's super cool. You guys know I love my Vertex steering wheels. I think I've probably had like 4 or 5 Vertex steering wheels over the years. Currently in the S2000, we do have a Vertex steering wheel that we're using. I do have the car locked, but let's see if I can give you guys a little glimpse. It says King of Vertex. It is a suede steering wheel, so really nice. It's a steering wheel that my wife gifted to me a few years back as a birthday present. Like I said, over the years I had quite a few. Some of them were like limited collaboration pieces. Like I had like the Elis and Vertex collab steering wheel. Only 100 were made. These, like I said, is another collab steering wheel, which means that they are sold out and discontinued. And if you want to find one, you do have to pretty much buy it from someone else who's reselling it. So let's go ahead and open up the box. I do love Vertex stuff, and Advan and Yokohama makes great parts. If you guys wonder where I got it from, I picked it up from Toge Factory, otherwise known as TF Works. They do sell car parts for a bunch of different cars. So just so happened that I saw them, doing the pre-order, and I picked it up from them. And here we have the actual box itself with the steering wheel. Pretty stoked to show you guys. So over here it says Advan Vertex steering wheel, and you do have like a little serial number over here. I got number 77. So here's a closer look at the steering wheel box. Over here on the front, it says Advan Vertex Racing Steering Wheel. Shows a photo of the front as well as the back. They do make it in both leather as well as suede. I decided to get the leather. And if you guys are wondering, it's a pretty standard size. It's a 330mm size, deep dish, like most of the other Vertex steering wheels that I had. It does have a serial number, so I got steering wheel number 77, and it's out of 200 made. So yeah, very cool. And again, we have a little Vertex sticker here. Like I said, Vertex steering wheels, I'm not new to it, so it's a pretty standard white box that most Vertex steering wheels come in. Let's go ahead and open it up and check out the actual steering wheel. Alright, pretty excited. Okay, so here's the steering wheel. Nothing else in the box. Very nice packed in foam. Pretty excited to see how it looks. So here it is. Here's a look. This is the back view of it. Yokohama on the bottom, Advan on the top. If you look a little bit closer, we do have an Advan and Vertex steering wheel sticker. Now let's go ahead and flip it to the front of the wheel. Alright, and here's the front of the steering wheel. Yokohama on top, and on the bottom, Vertex logo in red, and we have Advan. And we also have the serial numbers, just serial number 77. One thing to bear in mind whenever you guys do get these limited collab steering wheels, you don't get to choose what serial number you get unless you know or have a connection with the person who's ordering it. But yeah, just a random number. It is the leather that I went with. However, the parts in red kind of feels almost like a fabric, so pretty cool. And besides the steering wheel, I believe we have a horn included. Yep, so we do have a horn as well. So nothing special. It's just your Vertex horn in black. Let's go ahead and open it up and show you guys. Alright, so the black horn, like I said, it's not a special horn, it just says Vertex on it. Let's see how it looks with the horn put in. And this is how the horn looks in the steering wheel. If you guys want to get like a different horn or different colored horn, you can go to Vertex website. They do sell different color variations. So I believe I have 3 different colors for the horns. So in the steering wheel that I'm using right now, you guys can't see, but I have the red horn, red Vertex horn. I have another black one as well as a gold horn. So like I said, over the years, there's different steering wheels, so I have different horns. And here's a little close-up of the horn. So it says Vertex, Japan, Technical and Elegant, 1996. So yeah, pretty cool. Even though I have another black horn, the design's a little bit different. I'm not going to show you guys because I have to dig it out. It's somewhere in my pool of car parts, but I do have quite a few different of the horns from Vertex. So if you guys are wondering, I'm not sure which car I would like to toss the steering wheel in yet. I might just keep it for my collection, or I don't know, because even though it has some red, I think it would go with the S2000's theme. Currently, out of the 4 cars that I have, 2 cars have quick release steering wheel setups. The S2000 and the Mitsubishi Lancer show car. Just because I don't drive these 2 cars much. The other 2 cars, like the Ralliart and SI, serve as a workhorse daily driver. So yeah. But this horn right here, the good thing is I've had this horn for quite a few. This steering wheel setup for quite a few years. The downside is it's suede. I always have to wear a glove when I wear it because I don't want this suede to go bad. Like I said, my wife gave it to me a few years back, so sentimental value. This wheel here for sure would tie in with the car much better because it's black and red. However, since this is Advan in Yokohama, I don't have any Advan or Yokohama parts on the S2000. So what do you guys think? Should I throw this steering wheel on anyway because it's black and red? Or should I maybe get myself some Yokohama tires before I throw it on the car? Or, like I said, it's a really nice wheel. I love my Vertex steering wheels. Actually, every single steering wheel I've had, quick release steering wheel, has been a Vertex, except for the Voltex steering wheel that I have. That is a Nardi collaboration. That steering wheel is not for sale and it's on my Mitsubishi Lancer build. That is a leather steering wheel. So let me know, what do you guys think? Should I throw this steering wheel in the S2000? Or should I keep it? Or should I throw this wheel in the Mitsubishi Lancer show build, take out the Voltex steering wheel and put it in the S2000? What do you guys think? So what do you guys think of the new Vertex Advan Yokohama steering wheel? I personally think it looks way better in person. Not gonna lie, when it first came out, I wasn't sure if I'm gonna get that wheel just because I don't really have the need for another steering wheel. But as you guys know, over the years, I do like to collect steering wheels, especially these collaboration pieces. And to be honest, even if I don't rock the steering wheel and I were to keep it for, 6 months, 1 year, or a few years and resell it down the road, I can make some money back because these collaboration pieces, since they are limited edition, typically they do go up in value. So just to give you a rough idea, the Voltex steering wheel that I have, absolutely love that wheel. My big regret is I wished I bought more than one. They had the leather, they also have suede, and if I'm not wrong, only 100 total were made, but 50 in leather and 50 in suede, I think. So that makes it super rare. And that wheel, I have the leather. I had so many offers to buy the steering wheel. To give you a rough idea, when I first bought it a few years back, brand new, I think I paid about $700 or $800 US dollars, which is really expensive for a steering wheel, don't get me wrong. But any of these big name brands like Vertex, Nardi, especially if you get a collaboration steering wheel, you're really looking to pay $500 and more and higher. So it is really pretty expensive. But in today's market, I've seen these Vortex steering wheels go for about $2,500. Like easily, I can, like I said, more than double, triple, and make some money back. But the steering wheel is not going anywhere. Honestly, I'm still on the hunt for another Vortex steering wheel because the goal would be to have 2 Vortex steering wheels. Maybe one for display and one for on the car, or maybe just rock Vortex steering wheel on both cars. Who knows? The Lancer does have a Vortex carbon fiber wing, so kind of ties in together. The S2000 does not have any Vortex parts, but we do have a Vortex front bumper that we already have, and we do have a Vortex carbon fiber wing that's not put on yet. So either way, let me know what you guys think. Are you guys a fan of the new steering wheel? Leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.